Today's subject matter is the Monster Meter and its functionality. To turn the Monster Meter on, of course, we use the on-off button. Follow the user-friendly display screen in order to move the Monster Meter forward. We press Enter to continue. This gives us our setup screen. We can select which device we have by using the Select button, the 1 3/4, 1 1/8, 1 1/2, 2-inch inline unit. When we've selected the correct device, we press Enter to continue. The meter verifies that there is no internal input pressure being placed into the device. We then follow the directions. We go to a zeroing display. Our input pressures read. We'll zero them out. The pressure transducers now have no pressure showing. We press Enter to continue. We go ahead and make our connections to the inline unit. We press Enter to continue. And our display will give us, again, test 1, timestamp. When we flow water, a live GPM figure here. The device we're using, and a differential pressure, and then the high and low pressure ports. The GPM figure is what you're focusing in on while using this device. This is the live flow rate. Once we have achieved that set number, we can hit the Select button. We see an H come up. That's taking a snapshot or a picture of the test result. We can hit Select again to save the data or zero it out. Simple and easy. Another function would be to, again, set the device for time and data set. Okay. You can set the year, Enter to continue, set the month, Enter to continue, set the day, Enter to continue, select the hour. Of course, this is in military time. Set the minutes, and plus to move it up, 0 to move it down, Enter to continue. We've now set the time by pressing the Select button. We go back to our maintenance screen. We can go back in and recall our test data by hitting the Enter button. And now your Monster Meter has been fully programmed and is ready for use.